Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make pickled garlic in olive oil. This easy method starts with preparing fresh garlic cloves, then creating a simple brine. We'll combine these elements in a jar, topping it off with olive oil for a delicious, preserved treat. It's a straightforward process that yields fantastic results, perfect for enhancing many dishes. First, you'll need to prepare your garlic. Peel about 2 to 3 heads of fresh garlic, separating the cloves. Next, blanch the peeled cloves in boiling water for 60 seconds. This step is important for safety and texture. Immediately transfer the blanched garlic to an ice bath to stop the cooking process, then drain and pat them completely dry. Now, let's make the brine. In a saucepan, combine 1 cup of white vinegar with 1 cup of water. Add 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of sugar to the mixture. Bring this brine to a boil, stirring until the salt and sugar are fully dissolved. While the brine is heating, pack your prepared garlic cloves into a clean, dry jar. Once your brine has cooled slightly, pour it over the garlic in the jar, ensuring the cloves are covered. Then, top the jar with extra virgin olive oil, making sure all the garlic is completely submerged. This creates a protective seal. Seal the jar tightly and store it in the refrigerator for at least 2 weeks, and it will keep for up to 3 months.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.